Welcome to English Flow Podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm really glad you're here. If you're listening to this, you probably want to speak English more confidently, but maybe you feel bored when you practice, or you stop after a few minutes, or you feel like you're repeating the same things again and again. Today's episode is different. This is not just slow speaking. This is not just repetition. This is real practice, step by step, so your brain stays active and interested. Stay with me. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Let's begin. First, let me ask you something. When you practice English, do you mostly listen but speak very little? Many learners do that. They understand more and more English, but when it's time to speak, their mind becomes empty. That's because speaking is a skill, and skills grow by doing, not watching. So today, I will guide you. Sometimes you will listen. Sometimes you will speak. Sometimes you will just think in English. No pressure, no stress. Let's warm up. Say these sentences with me. I am practicing English right now. I am focused. I am giving myself time to learn. Good. Now, let's make it a little more real. I am listening to a podcast. I am training my speaking. I am improving step by step. Nice. Teaching moment. Clear, confident. Here is something very important. You do not need long study sessions. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to understand every word. What you need is daily contact with English. Short, real, consistent. That's how fluency grows. First speaking block. Easy and short. Repeat with me. I wake up in the morning. I feel a little tired. I take a deep breath. I start my day. Good.
Now, slightly longer. In the morning, I wake up and check my phone. I get ready for the day. I think about what I need to do. Very good. Pattern interrupt. Explanation. If you notice something, you're not translating, you're just following the idea. That's exactly what we want. Now let's continue. Challenge mode. Friendly, light. This time, try to repeat without stopping. Don't worry about mistakes. I wake up in the morning and get out of bed. I drink some water and feel more awake. I prepare myself for a busy day. Good job. New topic. Keeps interest. Now imagine this. You are outside. I am walking outside. The air feels fresh. I see people around me. I hear sounds from the street. Nice and natural. Teaching moment. Mindset without motivation fluff. Here's the truth. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Confidence comes after practice, not before. So every sentence you speak today matters. Second speaking block, slightly harder. Repeat. I am working on my English because it matters to me. I want to express myself more clearly. I want to feel comfortable speaking. Good. Now let's personalize. You can change this in your mind. I am learning English for my future. English helps me communicate. English opens new opportunities. Sentences. I am calm. I am focused. I am learning. Good. Now, longer again. I am learning English a little more every day, even when it feels slow. Listen and repeat. I started learning English some time ago.
At first, it felt difficult. I made many mistakes, but I did not stop. Now I feel more confident. Well done. Take a moment. Notice how your mind feels. Notice how your mouth feels. This is real practice. Final calm speaking block. Repeat slowly. I am doing my best. I trust the process. I will continue tomorrow. Nice. You did great today. Even if you spoke only a little, it counts. Come back again. Practice again, and let English become part of your life. If this episode helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to English Flow Podcast for more real English speaking practice. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next episode.